I love the unit around Valentine's Day and bringing in the fresh cut flowers. To come in there and see the hype and the buzz, and to see their progression so quickly throughout the week. Anything hands-on we can do. I love the greenhouse where we go out and do hands-on things too.
You do a lecture and then you do it in real life. So when we have our greenhouse class, we have a lecture on plant diseases and plant care. Then we go out to the greenhouse and we actually treat that.
This is like my favorite class period of the day because I'm surrounded by so many good people in there and I get to learn fun things. This school is such a good opportunity for kids to be able to pursue what they want. You get to choose to do what makes you happy and learn what you want to study.
I do Future Farmers of America. I'm our chapter's president. I compete in Skills USA, and I've competed in Future Business Leaders of America as well. In FFA, I competed in veterinary science, and that really sparked a passion to become a veterinarian here in Nevada.
That's what CTE is about. It's about them taking power and letting them see something different than they do in a traditional academic setting.